Ever feel that something's not quite right with your car? That shake, rattle, or roll could be telling you something important. Today, we're decoding common car problems based on those everyday driving issues. If you find this helpful, give us a like, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more car care tips. A hot car that shakes with an unstable idle often points to a dirty throttle. Over time, carbon buildup can restrict airflow into your engine. When your car idles, the throttle closes, leaving only a tiny gap for air. That gap gets smaller with carbon, causing the shake. Now, what about a cold car that struggles to start and shakes? The culprit might be your spark plugs. Carbon deposits or overly wide gaps on your spark plugs can reduce their effectiveness, leading to a shaky start. Where you feel the shaking matters. Bumpy roads causing vibrations? Think suspension. Worn shocks or half shafts are common causes. But if the shaking happens on smooth roads, the swing arm, a key suspension component, is a likely suspect. Notice shaking at high speeds? Get your wheels balanced. Unbalanced tires are a frequent cause. Shaking when you start the car? The clutch, which connects the engine to the transmission, might be worn. Struggling and shaking when climbing hills, especially in a turbocharged car? A damaged or weakening turbocharger might be the issue. These engines rely on the turbo to force air in when you need power. If it's not working, you will experience shaking. Don't forget about the brakes. Uneven wear of the disc brakes can lead to vibrations felt during braking. Addressing these symptoms early can save you from bigger problems down the road. So, pay attention to those shakes and rattles. Subscribe for more helpful car tips, and keep your ride smooth.